Welcome back, folks, to another video. Today we're actually going to be outside rather than in the shop. It's a really nice day and the lighting is really good since we're having a sunset here. Well, today I've got a really quick, simple project for you. One of the reverse bulbs, in fact, I believe it's the passenger bulb, has went out on my 2014, so I thought we could change that out together. What you're going to need are some 921 bulbs. I ended up just picking these up at Walmart. It was convenient. They are the Sylvania, which they do make pretty good bulbs, I gotta say. I went with the LEDs. I just kind of favor, I like the white light look. And they're made in Italy, which I thought was pretty neat. So a little quick backstory as I popped the tailgate here. I didn't realize, if I'd realized what a pain it was to get these at Walmart, I'd have probably just bought some on the internet. Whenever I went to buy these in Walmart, they had them behind a glass display case where I had to get an associate to unlock it. And then this associate had to take me up to a checkout to watch me check out with these. I'm sure she was just following policy. She was a very nice young lady, nothing against her. But I thought, my goodness, that's crazy. They must be having a theft problem with these or something. Nonetheless, let's go ahead and let's pop these out. Let's put the new ones in. Come on over here. Boy, we've got some funky looking stuff back there, don't we? This is a relatively simple job here. I've got if you've never had the pleasure of using one of these Williams ratcheting screwdrivers, these are literally the same as a snap-on, and boy, they are really good. So I'm gonna screw off the back here, and it's got a Torx bit in here. I forget what size it is. Let's just see here. Is it a 20? No, not quite a 20. It must be a 15. Yep, so it's a T15 bit. And then all these conveniently store in the handle, so you don't have to worry about losing them. That's all I need to do is undo both of these bolts. Once you have both bolts undone, you should be able to just pull straight out on this. And now you can see mine's very dirty back here, but we're going to pick this middle one. I'm just going to dust some of this crap off so we don't actually get that in the housing whenever we twist it out. And then just twist it to the left to loosen, and then pull out, and you're going to see there's our old bulb. So I'm going to take this guy out, and we're going to put the new one in. So out with the old, in with the new. I don't know if these are multi-directional or not. We probably need to double check that. The new ones here are probably not going to be as bright because they don't have as many chips on it, but I'm hopeful this one's going to last a bit longer. So just like a traditional bulb, we're going to plug it in. You don't have to get the LEDs. You can get anything that you want. I'm going to plug that in now. And now you can either turn your reverse lights on, or you can make your truck think it's nighttime. We'll see if it glows. Looky there, we got it. So now all I'm going to do is put this back in, twist to the right, then we'll put it back in here. See, doesn't that look really clean? That nice white light in there. I just prefer it myself. Now I just got to take my T15 Torx bolts, put them back in. Now on to the other side. See right here how it's all dirty? Knock some of that dust and crud off. One of the privileges of living on a dirt road, let me tell you. This one's okay, and it's not absolutely necessary to replace both of them. I personally like to replace my bulbs in pairs, because typically if one is out, it's not far off before the other one quits. And I know in the case of incandescents, I don't know about LEDs, to be honest. I'm just not sure about the technology behind it. But with the old incandescents, you could replace one and one would be a little bit brighter than the other one. Let's plug that in. Let me hit my button and see. Now I'm just curious. Are these bi-directional? It's just got me wondering. They are not, so they have to be facing the correct way, which is no problem. LEDs are just kind of funny like that. As you can see, we've got light. Let's click the remote. Looks pretty good. What do you guys think? Oh, you know what I just noticed? Did I knock a bulb out down here? I sure enough did. This is why you double check your work. I don't even see the bulb in the housing here. I gotta fix that real quick. There we go. Now, that's the look that we're going for. I told you guys, how was that for an easy one? Boy, I like those easy fixes. You know, as the truck starts aging, you're gonna have little things like that here and there that you're gonna have to do. Easy wins like that, I'll take it. The bulbs I could have probably got for $6-7 the pair if I did halogen. The LEDs were 15 and some change. In theory, should last longer, so that's why I went with those. That's gonna be it for this video. Speaking of trucks getting older though, stay tuned. I've got a little bit of a creak in my brakes that I think may be coming from a caliper. So if you've got a creak in your brakes and you're wondering maybe if it sounds similar to mine, stay tuned. We'll do a video. I'll show you how to tear that apart and hopefully grease it up a little bit where it won't do that anymore. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Until the next one, take care.